Today's word is alter. It's a powerful verb that can help you talk about change. Alter is useful whenever something is not the same anymore. Alter means to change something in some way. It usually means a small or careful change, not a complete transformation. A common mistake is using alter when you mean to say change completely. Alter is often for small changes, not big ones. Common patterns: alter something, alter a plan, alter clothes. We say to alter something when we want to express making a change. She altered the dress to fit better. The manager altered the schedule. Sometimes we alter our opinions after learning more. A tailor named Anna altered a suit for a customer. The small changes made the suit perfect. This shows how alter means to improve by changing. Remember alter by thinking of a tailor who alters clothes. Alter sounds like alter, changing all or part of something. Now you know alter means to make a small change. Try to use alter in your sentences today.